Hi guys, welcome to CA Inter Financial Management MCQs. I'm CA Anuj Jalota. Over the last 20 years, we have worked on the logics, we have worked on the concepts of all the students. Most of the generation of the professors which is coming now have been our students for costing. So, as a part of our duty towards the students, we thought that what will be better than trying to be posting the regular lectures on our YouTube channel. So, every Saturday, Sunday, the lectures of my previous batch do come out on our YouTube channel. So, ensure to check them out. There you will get free lectures, free textbook, you will be getting the summary of every question, you will be getting the rankings of every question. So therefore on examination day, you exactly know whatever is to be done. Everything only for you all, completely free of cost. Spread this to the people whom you all know who will need such lectures. Let's start it off. The things for today. Just one last thing. Currently the lectures which are coming out are in English Hindi mode. Later on they'll be coming in complete English also. Let's start it off. The question for today revolves around factoring. Our previous MCQ was also all about factoring only. Now, a factoring arrangement, the question says, can be both with recourse as well as without recourse. This statement is correct, incorrect, whereas partially true, and cannot be saying. This is too easy. We all have done numerical questions on factoring also. So, kindly answer. Okay, now, what do you mean by factoring with recourse? See, you should understand how factoring works. We are a company who has sold goods to a customer. That customer has to pay to us. Now, that customer has to pay to us, say, after 30 days. But I am in urgent need of the funds. I went to a factor. Okay, factor will pay me in advance. Okay. But then ultimately, where will factor get the money from? He will take it from the customer after 30 days. Okay. So factoring is basically a method to fund your working capital needs for say 30 days. And obviously, factor will not give you the complete amount of invoice. He will give you a lesser amount. Okay. Because they also need to be earning out of it. Factoring is of two types. Factoring with recourse means what? Factoring with recourse means a simple thing. Say that you have sold the goods on credit to a customer. And that customer has to pay you after 30 days. What happens if he does not pay? So therefore, if he does not pay, who is responsible? Factoring with recourse means that the seller is responsible. We are responsible. So therefore, if customer does not pay, okay, I will have to give that money to, in this case, the factor. Okay, that is whatever is meant by factoring with recourse. Read the things. Business is responsible for bad debts. If the customer does not pay to the factor, factor will have to come back to the business or to the seller for recovering the dues. Now, obviously, in such cases, the commission rate will be quite less because the factor is not bearing the risk of bad debts. Okay, but then most of the questions that we all have done in class are always with factoring without recourse. That means who will bear the risk of the bad debts? Factor will bear the risk of the bad debts. Okay, so therefore, business is not responsible for the bad debts. The customer, if the customer does not pay to the factor, factor will bear the bad debts. Of course, here commission rates are going to be quite high. So therefore, this statement, I guess, is totally correct. A factoring arrangement can be both with recourse as well as without recourse. Yes, this statement is absolutely correct. So answer should be A over here. That's it. I'll see you next time in another question with another concept and with another logic. Till then, take care, guys. Bye.